Begin by sitting with your feet on the floor and place your hand on your stomach. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and a slow, deep breath out. Another breath in and another breath out, fully filling your lungs and stomach with air, and then slowly and completely releasing. A breath in and a breath out. Now rate how you are feeling in this moment on a scale from 1 to 10. 1 being the worst you've ever felt, to 10 being the best you can feel. Rate now. Now take another big breath in and slowly let it out. Breathe in and breathe out, allowing your body to fully relax. One more breath completely in and out, fully releasing. Now repeat out loud or in your mind, I accept how I feel in this moment. I accept the unexpected. I accept who I am in this moment. Feel the acceptance of the moment and who you are. Notice what that feels and looks like. Maybe it's a weight being lifted, a warm hug, or pressure being released. Allow yourself to be in a feeling of acceptance. Now bring your attention back to your breath and slowly breathe in and out. Breathing in, breathing out, relaxing even more. Now slowly and gently put your head to the right and hold. And bring it back to the center. Put your head to the left and hold. And bring it back to the center. Take a big deep breath in and slow, deep breath out. Breathe in and out. In and out. Now put your head down and hold. And bring back to center. Put your head back and hold. bring back to center. Slowly breathe in and out. And breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now lightly shrug your shoulders and hold. And let them drop and release. Feel your body becoming heavier and more relaxed. And breathe in and out. In and out. In and out. Now place your hand on your heart and repeat to yourself, I am strong. I am capable. I deserve to love and be loved. Slowly breathe in and out. In and out. In and out. Repeat out loud or in your mind and continue breathing. I can get through this. I can change my thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. I can do what I need to do to be healthy and happy. Now breathe in and out. Slowly in and out. Even slower in and out. Now continue with your hands on your heart and say your own affirmation 3 times and take 3 slow, deep breaths. And when you are ready, allow energy to awaken your mind and body. Open your eyes. Take a big, deep, refreshing breath. Rate how you are feeling. And although your hands are now free, let your heart remember this feeling of being held, carrying its warmth and love with you today and the rest of your days to come.